What's inside a Strixhaven School of Mages bundle pack? Well, my lady is about to crack this one open and show you. Alright, we got your... Ooh, wow. That is beautiful. I'm glad we got this bundle just for that alone. And don't steal.
There's a secret tag.
Alright, guys. Ooh, yeah, you got your whole... every one of the colleges of Strixhaven. Alright, let's get into that box. You got your useless box. Waste of cardboard. Inside, you got your 10 boosters. Let's get a look-see at that die. And the promo card, Archmage Emeritus. Okay. And the Strixhaven die. Awesomeness.